Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Well, I got a little special video for you. I'm not in Fort Myers or Cape Coral. I decided to go a little north. I'm over at Manatee County in Anna Maria Island. It's a beautiful place, beautiful beach, and I just want to show you a little bit around the island here, around the beach, so you can see what living in Southwest Florida is all about. This is our winter right now. Everybody's at the beach enjoying the beautiful beach, the incredible sand. Let me hook. The incredible sand, white sand. And they're just waiting for 6:30 to see the amazing sunset. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk around and show you what this beach has to offer here. On the right here, you have very nice beachfront homes. You got 2 stories, even that one 3 stories. If you're interested in buying property over here, free to go on the link below, and I'll have a link with all the properties available in Anna Maria Island. Very nice island. A lot of tourists we have here. It's a lot of rental property. And as you can see, miles and miles of beautiful beach. Over here they have looks like an outdoor restaurant. When you see all those neighbors you got up north that they go to Florida, this is what they come for. This is a typical afternoon in Southwest Florida. Over here in Manatee County, we have Bradenton. So, like I said before, if you're looking for property over here in this area, feel free to go to the link below, and I'll have homes available for sale in Anna Maria Island. If you would like more information, feel free to contact us. Okay, even though I work off Cape Coral Fort Myers area, our company has offices all throughout the state, and we work with a lot of agents in all of those offices that we got. So we can refer you somebody that is familiar with what you're looking for. Okay, let me get a closer look of this seagull. Now what I'm going to walk over closer to the water. If you're not familiar with this Anna Maria, we are just south of Tampa. So we're just south of Tampa. So we're between Sarasota and Tampa. here close to the water. The beach is very similar to Sanibel and Captiva. You know, the sand and the way the homes are close to the water are kind of similar. The sand. The only thing I found that Sanibel and Captiva are more preserved. There's more nature. There's more trees. I'll do a video on that, so if you would like to see Sanibel and Captiva, please put it in the comments below, and I'll try to get you a video, Sanibel and Captiva over in Lee County, Cape Coral. That's the area I work. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoyed the small video of Anna Maria Island. Remember, if you're looking for real estate in Southwest Florida, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. Okay, and if you like this Anna Maria, we got agents in this area that would love to help you. Okay, so give us a call and we'll set you up with an agent that fits your needs, what you're looking for. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this short video. See you on the next one.